Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this TV box, 60 frames per second, 4K or Ultra HD TV box. So it has Android loaded on it, multimedia gateway for internet TV. So let me show you all the packaging. Got it a little damaged over here on the corner, but hopefully it's okay. All right, let's get to it. This just arrived. Oh, oops. Was a little rough with it. Couldn't really get the tab. Here we go. Ta-da! All right, let's see. Let's pull this out. Cool, so that's the box. See what else is in here. Charging adapter. That's it. Comes with HDMI cable, remote control, user manual. Oops. Show you all this manual. Great, that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.